Hi, in today's video, we're going to answer the question, can I add a remote display to my scale? Stay tuned. Remote displays are typically larger displays that you see outdoors that display weight. They are sometimes referred to as scoreboards. They are often installed beside truck scales, and the digit size is typically somewhere between 2.5 to 7 inches. These displays make it easy for the truck driver and anyone nearby to see the weight. It also makes it easier for a state inspector to see the weight when they are checking the truck scale. It also makes it easier for a scale technician to see the weight when they are checking or repairing the scale. In many locations, remote displays are required for truck scales. They can also be used in other applications where you need a large display showing the weight on a scale. In the majority of situations, yes, you can add a remote display to your scale. Often all it takes is a serial port from the digital weight indicator to be wired up to the remote display, and then a little programming and setup might be required in order for the remote display to communicate with the digital weight indicator. A large weight display makes it easy for operators to read the weight of the vehicle from a distance. This can save time and increase efficiency, as operators can quickly and accurately weigh in vehicles without having to leave their trucks or wait for someone to read the weight for them. Another reason to add a large outside remote display to your truck scale is to increase safety. Traditional truck scales sometimes require operators to climb out of their vehicle on the scale to read the weight, which can be dangerous if the scale is wet or slippery. With a remote display, operators can view the weight of the vehicle, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Another benefit of remote displays is traffic lights and messaging. Some remote displays can be configured to display a red light or green light to assist with traffic flow on and off the scale. Some remote displays can also be programmed to display messaging as well. Finally, there are also some remote displays that can actually be set up to be the digital weight indicator and the remote display as one unit. So yes, in the majority of situations, you can add a remote display to your scale. For more information on remote displays or scales, be sure to visit our website, centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching!